welcome to Cash Rules TMB Tats and Associates YouTube channel. This is Tamika Marie speaking, and in this video, I will show you how you can upload documents from the client app. So when you open the app, you will have two ways that you can upload documents. One is by opening the Firm Information tab. There you will have an upload button, which you can use to upload your documents. Alternatively, you can also go to the menu by tapping on the three lines in the top left corner and then go to the Documents page. Here you will have another Upload Documents button, which you can use to get your documents into the portal. Also, when uploading through the document page, you will have the option to notify your accountant. Please make sure that you check this box so that we get a notification letting us know that we've got incoming work. Now that you've finished uploading all of your documents, you just got to tick that box when you upload and the documents will receive a notification when you're done. That's it. This is it for the quick guide. Thank you for uploading your documents through the client app and thank you for watching. You have an amazing day, and as always, take care. Thank you for checking in on all of the cash rules that we've got at the TMB Tats and Associates Cash Rules YouTube channel. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for additional information on everything tax and finance related. We appreciate you so much. Take care now.